let's explore force and motion. What is force? Force is the push or pull that can change the state of motion. Like for example, arrows. It has both magnitude and direction. Another example of force is gravity. It is a force pulling objects towards the earth. We have different types of forces. Like for example, gravity, tension, air resistance, applied force, and friction. What is friction? Friction is the resistance that one surface or another encounters when moving or another. What is applied force? Applied force is a force that an object applied by a person or another object. The first law of motion: an object at rest stays at rest unless acted upon by an external force. The second law of motion: the acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the net force acting on it. The third law of motion: for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Understanding force and motion help us comprehend the world around us.
Have you ever wondered why something feels hot while other feels cold? Let's dive into the fascinating realm of heat and temperature. What is temperature? Temperature is the measure of the average kinetic energy of particles in a substance. The hotter it is, the faster particles move. We have a different scales measure temperature, but they all convey the same underlying concept. First, Celsius. Celsius is the unit of temperature on the Celsius scale, one of temperature scale used in the international system of units. Second, what is Fahrenheit? Fahrenheit is denoting a scale of temperature on which water freezes at 32 degrees and boils at 212 degrees under standard condition. And the last one is Kelvin scales. Kelvin scales is a scale of temperature in which absolute zero is zero, and kelvins are used as units. So now, we will talk about heat. Heat is the transfer of energy from a hotter object to a colder one. So this is the reason why you feel warmth from a sunlight or a hot stove. And now, let's talk about specific heat and phase changes. Specific heat is the amount of heat needed to raise the temperature of a unit mass of a substance by 1 degree Celsius. Phase changes. Phase changes, like melting and boiling, involve absorbing or releasing heat without a change in temperature.
Have you ever wondered what it takes to move things around? Journey into work, energy, and power. And now, let's understand work. Work is done when a force moves an object through a distance. It depends on the force applied, the distance covered, and the angle between force and displacement. So now, let's explore energy. Energy is the ability to do work. We have two types of energy. Kinetic energy is associated with motion, while potential energy is stored energy waiting to be released. So now, let's talk about the law of conservation of energy. Energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transferred or transformed. And lastly is power in motion. Power is the rate at which work is done or energy is transferred. More power means getting things done faster. I am Engine Cadet Revilla.
I am Engine Cadet Aton.
And I am Engine Cadet Revilla.
Thank you for watching.
Why things move the way they do. Let's explore.
Start.
Have you ever wondered why something feels hot while other feels cold?
2, 3, start.
Have you ever wondered
Start. Start. Okay, 1, 2, 3, start. Start.